Okay, so let's do it. So, hi dear Aries, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a 7 day, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, and Rising from 30th of December till the 5th of January. One card for each day. Take it as messages, guidance, warning, or simple plain challenges or obstacles on the way for you guys. And want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in description. Want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono? You can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, link is in the description box for the same. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. I'm doing it from a very long time. You can trust me. Want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings? You can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly or book the readings accordingly. For any queries, mail us on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. Let's start. 30th of December, we have the nothingness, no thingness. You can read it as nothingness, you can read it as no thingness. So this is something, this day is going to provide a clean slate to you. Maybe you're going to decide that whatever happened in the past, you're going to leave that in the past and you're going to start a brand new life from this point onwards. And this day marks the start of a brand new beginning. Can you see Osho's reflection? Osho's reflection is coming in on my phone screen, and then it's coming on the card in the nothingness. So brilliant, clean slate. Whatever colors, whatever you're going to write on this clean slate, that's up to you now. 31st of December, we have the maturity. Okay, something is going to come back to you in order to make you understand whether you have changed or not. Some kind of challenge or obstacle, or maybe something that you might get irritated with a lot, but universe is going to test you if you have got your lesson or not. So testing your maturity, basically. The more you are going to operate with your experience, with your wisdom and knowledge, the more it's going to be easier for you to go through this day. 1st of January, we have the abundance, a lot of abundance and prosperity within and outside. The more you are going to feel abundance and prosperous inside of you, the more it's going to reflect in your outside world as well. It's a very beautiful card. It is not all about wealth, money kind of abundance. It's about abundance of all kinds. Beautiful card. So basically, on 1st of January, you should focus on abundance and prosperity rather than lack and this energy of what should I do? What should I do? I'm feeling like this. I don't have this. I don't have that. Okay. 2nd of January, we have the celebration. You are going to be in the celebration mode, and or you should be in the celebration mode. So you might be working very hard from quite a long time now, and you might not be taking break from quite a long time. You should do that now, because this is a celebration energy. This is something that you should definitely work on, like taking a break kind of energy that you require from your side right now, and celebrating life to the fullest, celebrating life to the best of whatever you can, right? 3rd of January, we have aloneness. So on 3rd of January, you are going to realize that certain things, certain paths, you have to walk alone only. This aloneness is not sadness or depression or something because you are dissatisfied with life or something. This is something that you are going to feel and realize that this is the need of the hour, that you have to walk on a path alone, and this is going to give you immense pleasure and happiness that you are going on a path where you are following your own light. Wow, perfect. 4th, we have the past life. Something or someone from your past might show up, not to harm you, not to haunt you, not to give you something bitter. It's coming back to you so that you can heal it and release it properly, and you can become better. Something or someone, anything from your past, anything or anyone from our past shows up only when it's time for that situation or that person to get released properly. Okay, keep that in mind. Now, the 5th of January, we have the completion. Do not give up on something that you are working for from quite a long time now. You will be able to find the missing piece of the puzzle very soon. There will be a completion of a cycle or a project or something that you might be working on, but you are not able to get that final puzzle or get that final missing piece of the puzzle. So please do not give up. It's a completion. You are going to find that missing piece very soon, whatever that is, whatever that means, the information or help or whatever it means in your case. Okay, so I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste. Moving on to Taurus.